happy 3-month birthday. Happy 3-month birthday, big boy. Can you smile? Can you laugh for us? Can you laugh for us? Huh? Say hi. Hi, big boy. So you look like you're about 6 months. Come on, chunky boy. Look at me. Come on. Smile. Smile, happy boy. Smile. Look at you. There we go. Look at you. Come on. Where's that smile? Come on. What's this? What's that? Hi, Braylon. There we go. Oh. What's going on? Yeah, hi. Hey. Hi. You're so healthy. You're so healthy. Yes, you are. You're going to be our little football player. Yes, you are. Hi. Yeah, we don't have problems getting you to eat, do we? You're nothing like your sister. Did that tickle? Are you ticklish? I think you are. Tickle. Oh no! You definitely get away. Hey. No, stop. Stop. Hey. Let's get him. There's our big boy. Stop. No, that's a blanket. That doesn't taste good. Hi.